722 the other day. The takedown model. I sold my regular model. When I got home, I opened the case up, and I found out that the lock that he had on it for the trigger lock, he didn't give me the key for that. He said he was going to take the trigger lock off before he left. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drill the trigger lock out. I'm going to get it off. Stick my screwdriver in. Oh, I can go a little deeper. Alright, so I've been screwing with this for about 10 minutes here now. I've drilled the hole out a couple times. It's as big as it'll go. I finally got it to come off in 2 pieces, and everything works perfect.